How to add a payment method in Grubhub. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a payment method in Grubhub. So let's begin. The process is really simple. First, open up your Grubhub app. Then log in into your account. After you've done that, you will then need to head over to account option on the bottom right. After you're there, you will see your account's settings or your account management section. So right here, you'll find your name, email, password, payment, and gift cards, and many more options. Here, you can choose the payment option. Then from here, you can add a payment method. All you have to do is tap on add new payment and choose what you want to add. So you can add a credit card, you can add your PayPal, or you can add your Amazon Pay. I'll choose on credit card. And from here, if I tap on this, the credit card drop-down button that's available here, you should be able to choose any other method that we previously saw. Now, all you have to do is enter your card number, your expiry date, your CVC, and your billing postal code. After that, tap on done, and you'll basically be prompted, and you will have added your payment method in Grubhub. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. You can add multiple payment methods as well. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.